Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore your Signal backup on iPhone. Let's get started. Signal on iPhone doesn't create manual backup files. Instead, it saves your data inside your iPhone's full iCloud backup. So if you back up your old iPhone using iCloud, your Signal messages are included automatically. When you get a new phone or reset your current one, go through the steps until you reach App and Data. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with the same Apple ID you used on your old iPhone. Select the most recent backup, the one that contains all your data including Signal. Your iPhone will now download everything. Once your phone finishes restoring, open the App Store, search for Signal and install it. Signal will recognize that your device was restored from an iCloud backup. Open the Signal app, enter the same phone number you used before. Signal will send you a text message with a verification code. Once you enter it, Signal completes the setup. Because your phone was restored from iCloud, chat, groups, settings, and media will appear automatically. No manual step, Signal reveals everything for you. And that's it. That's how you restore your Signal backup on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.